Hi guys, I quickly want to show you how you can set up your local host network, your development app you're working on your local host through Django or whatever framework you might be working to test remote APIs. Django and these IDEs they only allow for development. They don't support HTTPS. So I'll show you how to create a tunnel that you can access that the general web. Or I'm not going to create it. There's an app that does it for you. I'm going to show you how to set up for that. Now, what you want to do is first things first. Go to your browser. Go to ngrock.com. It's a free app, so no need to worry about that. So just go to get started for free, and then download the application. It's a one file. So click on download. It will start here at the bottom. And okay, I've already downloaded it. Once you've downloaded it, just go check that it's downloaded properly and everything's lacquer. And okay, here it is, ngrock. Now, first thing you want to do is you have to add the file path to your path variables. Now, here it is. Just copy that. Go to your web browser, your local drive, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, edit, new, oh, come on. That should bring up the whole screen, It doesn't bring up the screen, why not? There it is. Okay, I added mine there. Just at the end, add the file name there, the extension there. Just add it there. And once that's done, it's done. Okay, then you can run it. Now, I created a shortcut for mine. There, it's running. That's it. It will work. But what we need to do is you get a public access token. So just copy it from your dashboard. You'll see this is unique to mine. Just copy it and paste, and that will save it to your configuration file. That's it, guys. That's how you set up. Then you can use this app, or from your local development server, you can test your app on the general web. I hope this helps you out with installation and setting up for that. And thanks a lot. Have a great day.